You hear that outside?
It's fucking creepy. What the fuck?
What the fuck is that?
Dude, it's like 2 in the morning.
What the fuck is it?